$5,531.23, $2,478.97, and $745.43. And this is the amount of money people have made on TikTok's rewards program. And in this video, we'll be showing you guys how you guys can create videos just like these funny cat memes. As you guys can see in this video, it's over 1 minute long and over 10 million views, which means this creator has made thousands of dollars on this video alone. And as you guys can see, they have multiple viral videos with millions of views. First, you're going to type in the search bar iGreen screen things, and this is the account where you guys can see all of the cat memes with the sounds as well. And once you find your cat meme, all you need to do is just download the video and it will save on your camera roll. Or you guys can type iGreen screen things cat memes, and then you can download all of the cat memes that you guys are going to use in your video. Then you're going to go on Canva and type TikTok video, and then you're going to type create blank. Then you're going to click on photos, and then you're going to type living room. And then you're going to choose any of the photos that you like for your video. And once you pick your picture, you're going to drag it until it fits the template. And since we want our video to be over a minute long, we're going to just drag the entire video until it's over a minute long. Then click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner and click on download, then download. Then gonna go on CapCut and then click on overlay, and that's when we're gonna add our cat meme video, the one with the green screen. Then click on the button that says remove BG or background, then click on chroma key. Then put the circle where your background is and then click on intensity and keep it to 100. And that's how we removed our background. Then we're basically going to do the same thing with our other cat meme video, remove the background by clicking on the button that says remove BG, then chroma key, and then click on intensity and keep it to 100. And then just fix how they look in the video. And then just keep doing all of the cat memes in the video until you finish. And once you finish all of the cat scenes in the cat video, all you need to do in order for you to download the video, click on the arrow on the upper right hand corner, and after you download your video, you're going to go on TikTok, and then you're going to type all of the text that you want in your video. I said in the beginning, I said when I make fun of her versus when she makes fun of me. And you can find other cat meme ideas on TikTok as well. Once you finish, all you need to do is post your video. Remember to be consistent and patient with your content. Make sure you keep posting every single day, and remember that it all takes one viral video for you guys to make thousands of dollars each month. And if you want to know how to create luxury style car videos without having a car for free to make thousands of dollars each month on TikTok and YouTube, make sure you watch the video in the description box below. And thanks for watching!